राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम. Welcome to Learning to Chant Srimanarayaniyam, class 58. As in the previous class, we shall start with the new shloka. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje, gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave, na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho, matirasti gurau mama pahi guro, Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala, Janaka Shankaro devastam vande kunjarananam, Pitambarangara virajita shanka chakra gomodaki sarasijam karuna samudram, Radha sahaya mati sundaramantaha sambhada lage shamanisham hridi bhavayami. Just along the first shloka that we have already seen. वैवस्वताख्यम अनुपुत्र नभाग जात नाभाग नामक नरेंद्र सुतोंबरीशः सप्तार्णवावृत महीदयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्संगिषु त्वगि च मग्नमनाः सदैव. We'll go to the new shloka. We'll begin with Amogha. Amogha. Good. Tvatpritaye.
Tvatpritaye. Tvatpritaye.
Sakalameva.
Sakalameva. Sakalameva.
Vitanvatosya.
Vitanvatosya. Vitanvatosya.
Bhaktiyaiva.
Bhaktiyaiva. Bhaktiyaiva.
Devanachirat.
Devanachirat. Devanachirat.
Abhruthaha.
Abhruthaha. Abhruthaha.
Prasadam.
Prasadam. Prasadam.
Yenasya.
Yenasya. Yenasya.
Yachanam.
Yachanam. Yachanam.
Ritepi.
Ritepi. Ritepi.
Abhirakshanartham.
Abhirakshanartham. Abhirakshanartham.
Chakram bhavan.
Chakram bhavan. Chakram bhavan.
Pravitatara.
Pravitatara. Pravitatara.
Sahasradharam.
Sahasradharam. Sahasradharam.
Tvatpritaye sakalameva.
Tvatpritaye sakalameva. Tvatpritaye sakalameva.
Vitanvatosya.
Vitanvatosya. Vitanvatosya.
Bhaktiyaiva devanachirat.
Bhaktiyaiva devanachirat. Bhaktiyaiva devanachirat.
Abhrutha prasadam.
Abhrutha prasadam. Abhrutha prasadam.
Yenasya yachanamrite.
Yenasya yachanamrite. Yenasya yachanamrite.
Apyabhirakshanartham.
Apyabhirakshanartham. Apyabhirakshanartham.
Chakram bhavan pravitatara.
Chakram bhavan pravitatara. Chakram bhavan pravitatara.
Sahasradharam.
Sahasradharam. Sahasradharam.
Tvatpritaye sakalameva vitanvatosya.
Tvatpritaye sakalameva vitanvatosya. त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य
भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृताः प्रसादम्
भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृताः प्रसादम् भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृताः प्रसादम्
येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम्
येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम् येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम्
चक्रं भवान् प्रविततारसहस्रधारम्
चक्रं भवान् प्रविततारसहस्रधारम् चक्रं भवान् प्रविततारसहस्रधारम् त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृताः प्रसादम् येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम् चक्रं भवान् प्रविततारसहस्रधारम्
Next, Hrishita, next shloka. सद्वादशी व्रतम् अथः भवदर्चनार्थम् वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समम् सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम् and tell it a higher pitch. I think it will be better for you. सद्वादशी व्रतम् अथो भवदर्चनार्थम् वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम् सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थम् वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्
सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थम् वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्.
Good. In the shloka, in the first time I split it as athaha vratam athaha bhavadarchanaartham. I think the word itself is no. I don't think we can split it as athaha. We are not very sure, but even while splitting, it is better you say it as satvadashi vratamatho bhavadarchanaartham. It might be an avyaya. I'm not sure. Atha is a word separately, but atho we are not sure. We go deeper into grammar for that. Raghunandanana, shloka 4.
तत्राथ पारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते दुर्वाससा अस्य मुनिना
भवनं
प्रपेदे
भोक्तुं वृतश्च स नृपेण परार्तिशीलः मन्दं जगाम यमुनां नियमान् विधास्यन् तत्राथ पारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते दुर्वाससास्य मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे
मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे
भोक्तुं वृतश्च
भोक्तुं वृतश्च
स नृपेण परार्तिशीलः
स नृपेण परार्तिशीलः स नृपेण परार्तिशीलः
मन्दं जगाम यमुनाम्
मन्दं जगाम यमुनाम्
नियमान् विधास्यन्
नियमान् विधास्यन्
तत्राथ पारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते
तत्राथ पारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते
दुर्वाससास्य मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे
दुर्वाससास्य मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे
भोक्तुं वृतश्च स नृपेण परार्तिशीलः
भोक्तुं वृतश्च स नृपेण परार्तिशीलः
मन्दं जगाम यमुनान् नियमान् विधास्यन्
मन्दं जगाम यमुनां नियमान् विधास्यन् तत्राथ पारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते दुर्वाससास्य मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे भोक्तुं वृतश्च स नृपेण परार्तिशीलः मन्दं जगाम यमुनान् नियमान् विधास्यन्
very shloka 5 Suman राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्त
समाप्तिखेदात्
वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिः तदथ दिव्यदृशा
विजानन्
क्षिप्यन्
क्रुधोद्धृता
जटः
विततान कृत्याम्
राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्त समाप्तिखेदात् वारैव पारणम्
वारैव पारणम् वारैव पारणम्
अकारि भवत्परेण
अकारि भवत्परेण अकारि भवत्परेण
प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ
प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथा प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथा
दिव्यदृशा विजानन्
दिव्यदृशा विजानन् दिव्यदृशा विजानन्
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधा
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधा क्षिप्यन् क्रुधा
उद्धृतजटः
उद्धृतजटः उद्धृतजटः
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटः
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटः क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटः
क्रुधोद्धृत क्रू is rakara क्रू properly there धृत क्रुधोद्धृतजटः
क्रुधोद्धृतजटः क्रुधोद्धृतजटः
विततानकृत्याम्
विततानकृत्याम् विततानकृत्याम्
राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्तसमाप्तिखेदात्
राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्तसमाप्तिखेदात् राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्तसमाप्तिखेदात्
वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण
वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण
प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन्
प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन् प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन्
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततानकृत्याम्
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततानकृत्याम् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततानकृत्याम् राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्तसमाप्तिखेदात् वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततानकृत्याम्
Good. So one is somebody has asked this third shloka Yamunopakunte. There is no kunte. Yamunopakante is a good patha. I don't think kunte should be wrong. It should be a printing mistake in the books. Yamunopakunte. And the other one, the atho, it is I've forgotten. It is there in the Brahma Sutra Bhashya. The first sutra is Atatho Brahma Jignasa. So there atho has multiple meanings, which the Bhashyakara Shankaracharya itself says. It is one is it is a Mangala, then it tells what and all should be done before. So it has multiple meanings. So there is a great discussion. So atho is a avyaya by itself. So it cannot be split as athaha, athatho brahmajnasa, which atho is a word by itself. So there is no splitting as vratam athaha. It is Satvadashi Pratamatho. That's how it is. So sixth shloka, Hrishita. Hrishita?
Yeah.
Krityancha.
कृत्यांच
Tam asidharam.
तामसिधरां
Bhuvanandahantim.
भुवनन्दहन्तीं
अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य
अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य
नृपतिः
नृपतिः नृपतिः
न पदाच्चकम्पे
न पदाच्चकम्पे न पदाच्चकम्पे
त्वद्भक्तबाधम्
त्वद्भक्तबाधम् त्वद्भक्तबाधम्
अभिवीक्ष्य
अभिवीक्ष्य अभिवीक्ष्य
सुदर्शनन्ते
सुदर्शनन्ते सुदर्शनन्ते
कृत्यानलम्
कृत्यानलम् कृत्यानलम्
शलभयन्
शलभयन् शलभयन्
मुनिमन्वधावीत्
मुनिमन्वधावीत् मुनिमन्वधावीत्
कृत्याञ्च ताम्
कृत्याञ्च ताम् कृत्याञ्च ताम्
असिधराम् भुवनन्दहन्तीम्
असिधराम् भुवनन्दहन्तीम् असिधराम् भुवनन्दहन्तीम्
अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य
अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य
नृपतिर्न पदाच्चकम्पे
नृपतिर्न पदाच्चकम्पे नृपतिर्न पदाच्चकम्पे
त्वद्भक्तबाधम्
त्वद्भक्तबाधम् त्वद्भक्तबाधम्
अभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते
अभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते अभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते
कृत्यानलम् शलभयन्
कृत्यानलं शलभयन् कृत्यानलं शलभयन्
मुनिमन्वधावीत्
मुनिमन्वधावीत् मुनिमन्वधावीत्
कृत्याञ्च ताम् असिधराम् भुवनन्दहन्तीम्
कृत्याञ्च तामसिधरां भुवनन्दहन्तीम् कृत्याञ्च तामसिधरां भुवनन्दहन्तीम्
अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्चकम्पे
अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्चकम्पे अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्चकम्पे
त्वद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते
त्वद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते त्वद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते
कृत्यानलम् शलभयन्मुनिमन्वधावीत्
कृत्यानलं शलभयन्मुनिमन्वधावीत् कृत्यानलं शलभयन्मुनिमन्वधावीत् कृत्याञ्च तामसिधरां भुवनन्दहन्तीम् अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्चकम्पे त्वद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते कृत्यानलं शलभयन्मुनिमन्वधावीत्
गुड श्लोका 7 रघुनंदन धावन्
धावन् धावन्
अशेष भुवनेषु
अशेष भुवनेषु अशेष भुवनेषु
धिया सह
भिया सह भिया सह
पश्यन्
पश्यन् पश्यन्
विश्वत्र चक्रम्
विश्वत्र चक्रम् विश्वत्र चक्रम्
अपि ते
अपि ते
गतवान्
गतवान् गतवान्
विरिञ्चम्
विरिञ्चम् विरिञ्चम्
कः कालचक्रम्
कः कालचक्रम् कः कालचक्रम्
अतिलङ्घयति
अतिलङ्घयति अतिलङ्घयति
इत्यपास्तः
इत्यपास्तः इत्यपास्तः
शर्वं ययौ
शर्वं ययौ
स च भवन्तम्
स च भवन्तम्
अवन्दतैव
अवन्दतैव
धावन्नशेषभुवनेषु
धावन्नशेषभुवनेषु
धिया स पश्यन्
धिया स पश्यन्
विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते
विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते
गतवान् विरिञ्चम्
गतवान् विरिञ्चम्
कः कालचक्रम्
कः कालचक्रम्
अतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः
अतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः
शर्वं ययौ स च
शर्वं ययौ स च
भवन्तमवन्दतैव
भवन्तमवन्दतैव
धावन्नशेषभुवनेषु भिया स पश्यन्
धावन्नशेषभुवनेषु भिया स पश्यन् धावन्नशेषभुवनेषु भिया स पश्यन्
विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम्
विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम् विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम्
कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः
कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः
शर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव
शर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव शर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव धावन्नशेषभुवनेषु भिया स पश्यन् विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम् कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः शर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव
नेक्स्ट श्लोक 8 सुमन भूयो भूयः
भूयः भूयः
भवन्निलयम्
भवन्निलयम् भवन्निलयम्
एत्यमुनिम्
एत्यमुनिम् एत्यमुनिम्
नमन्तम्
नमन्तम् नमन्तम्
प्रोचे
प्रोचे प्रोचे
भवान्
भवान् भवान्
अहमृषे
अहमृषे अहमृषे
ननु भक्तदासः
ननु भक्तदासः ननु भक्तदासः
ज्ञानन्तपश्च
ज्ञानं तपश्च ज्ञानं तपश्च
विनयान्वितम्
विनयान्वितं विनयान्वितम्
एवमान्यम्
एवमान्यम् एवमान्यम्
याह्यम्बरीष
याह्यम्बरीष याह्यम्बरीष
पदमेव
पदमेव पदमेव
भजेति भूमन्
भजेति भूमन् भजेति भूमन्
भूयो भवन्निलयम्
भूयो भवन्निलयम् भूयो भवन्निलयम्
एत्यमुनिन्नमन्तम्
एत्यमुनिं नमन्तम् एत्यमुनिं नमन्तम्
रोचे भवानहमृषे
प्रोचे भवानहमृषे प्रोचे भवानहमृषे
ननु भक्तदासः
ननु भक्तदासः ननु भक्तदासः
ज्ञानन्तपश्च
ज्ञानं तपश्च ज्ञानं तपश्च
विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम्
विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम् विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम्
याह्यम्बरीषपदम्
याह्यम्बरीषपदम् याह्यम्बरीषपदम्
एव भजेति भूमन्
एव भजेति भूमन् एव भजेति भूमन्
भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्यमुनिन्नमन्तम्
भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्यमुनिं नमन्तम् भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्यमुनिं नमन्तम्
प्रोचे भवानहमृषे ननु भक्तदासः
प्रोचे भवानहमृषे ननु भक्तदासः प्रोचे भवानहमृषे ननु भक्तदासः
ज्ञानन्तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम्
ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम् ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम्
याह्यम्बरीषपदमेव भजेति भूमन्
याह्यम्बरीषपदमेव भजेति भूमन् याह्यम्बरीषपदमेव भजेति भूमन् भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्य मुनिं नमन्तं प्रोचे भवानहमृषेणनु भक्तदासः ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यं याह्यम्बरीषपदमेव भजेति भूमन्।
गुड श्लोक 9 अमोघ तावत् समेत्य
Screen hasn't changed.
तावत् समेत्य
तावत् समेत्य
मुनिना सह गृहीतपादः राजापसृत्य
भवदस्त्रम्
असौ अनौषीत् चक्रे गते मुनिरदात् अखिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिम् आगसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन् तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रम् असावनौषीत् भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत् चक्रे गते मुनिरदात् अखिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृते अपि कृपाञ्च शंसन् तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः
तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः
राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत्
राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत् राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत्
चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै
चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै
त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन्
त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन् त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन् तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत् चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन्
गुड श्लोका 10 रघुनंदन राजा प्रतीक्ष्य
स्क्रीन दृश्यते
राजा प्रतीक्ष्य
राजा प्रतीक्ष्य
मुनिमेकसमाम्
मुनिमेकसमाम् अनाश्वान
संभोज्य साधु
तमृषिम्
विसृजन्
प्रसन्नम्
भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि
ततः
अपि दृढम् रतोऽभूत्
सायुज्यमाप च
स माम्
पवनेशपायाः
राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिम्
एकसमामनाश्वान्
संभोज्य साधुतम् ऋषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम् भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत्
ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत् ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत्
सायुज्यमाप च सः
सायुज्यमाप च सः सायुज्यमाप च सः
मां पवनेशपायाः
मां पवनेशपायाः मां पवनेशपायाः
राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिमेकसमामनाश्वान्
राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिमेकसमामनाश्वान् राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिमेकसमामनाश्वान्
सम्भोज्य साधुतमृषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम्
सम्भोज्य साधुतमृषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम् सम्भोज्य साधुतमृषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम्
भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत्
भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत् भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत्
सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः
सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिमेकसमामनाश्वान् सम्भोज्य साधुतमृषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम् भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत् सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
अम्बरीशचरितन्नाम
अम्बरीशचरितन्नाम अम्बरीशचरितन्नाम
त्रयस्त्रिंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम्
त्रयस्त्रिंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् त्रयस्त्रिंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये अम्बरीशचरितन्नाम त्रयस्त्रिंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Good. So we have finished till Ambarish Charitam. Next 34 and 35 are Ramavatara, both the Dashakams. Before that, the next 3 weeks, we shall not have the regular class. So classes will be there. So please do attend, because as you know, Narayaniyam is a Grantham which requires multiple Parayanam, both for your own tongue should be able to say it in the good manner, and also for our own punya and bhakti to increase. So from both perspectives, it is good to have as many revisions as possible. We have not been able to do full revision as such. We have been doing previous Dashakams revision till now, whenever 10-15 shlokas in the beginning of the classes. So now we have an opportunity over the next 3 weeks to finish. So we have finished 33 Dashakams. I think 11 Dashakams in one class is quite possible. If we take 5 minutes per Dashakam on the average, quite slowly if we say it itself, so we can easily do it in 1 hour, 11 Dashakams, that is possible. So the panelists who are there, 3-4 of them or a few of them will get together. They will be reciting. So you can have your books at home. You can log in the same way. They will tell one shloka after each other. So we will have a complete revision over the next 3 classes. So we will not, the usual teaching class will not be there on next 3 weeks, next 3 Saturdays. So we will again have it on 5th June. Usual class will be there. Today is 8th May. 5th June is the 4th Saturday from today. Next 3 Saturdays will be revision classes. So that is the announcement. I hope last week itself I have told, but just a repetition of that. And This is because of my marriage, which is coming up on 24th May, Monday in Karur. And it was, we wanted all of you to be physically present. I would have invited you all, but the situation does not allow for such a function. So we shall have it online. It shall be streamed. You all have the channel link. So yesterday when you all viewed the Narayaniam Parayanam, and today some of you viewed the Sundarakanda also. So you know the link for the channel. We do not have a special link on the same channel. On that particular day, the link will come up when the live streaming starts. So I will post it on the Telegram group. So those who have not joined the Telegram group, if you want to watch this, you can join the Telegram group and then exit it later. So it is left up to you. But if you know the channel, you don't need to join the Telegram group. There is no need. It is just my channel, which you use my name on YouTube, it should come. There is only one channel with this name, Shankara Ramasha. So yeah, there is no the reception is anyway not there. We are not going ahead with it. Only the marriage shall be streamed. And there was a 4-day. It's a 4-day marriage. So I think these will also might be streamed. We do not know. But yeah, over the next 4 days also we shall have programs. It's 1 week of almost a week of marriage with 6 days of this thing. So this is the invitation. I'm just virtually inviting you to attend the marriage. Sarvebhya Ram Ram. Now I shall repeat the whole of the 33rd Dashakam now, and then we shall take some questions. I shall send this invitation also on the Telegram group. It shall not come out by mail. It will not. I will not send it by the mail that I send the Narayaniam this thing. That I shall not do. That is related to Vyoma. This is personal. That is the company's this thing. So this shall come only through Telegram group, but the invitation has been extended to you all, so do attend. Atha Trayastrimshattamam Dashakam Vaivasvatakhyam Anuputra Nabhagajata Nabhaganamaka Narendra Sutom Barishaha Saptarnavavrita Mahidayito Pireme Tvatsangishu Tvayicha Magnamanas Sadaiva Tvatpritaye Sakalameva Vitanvatosya Bhakyaiva Deva Nachirada Bhrithah Prasadam Yenasya Yachana Mritepyabhirakshanartham Chakram Bhavan Pravitatara Sahasradharam Sadvadashi Bratamatho Bhavadarchanartham Varshandadho Madhuvane Yamunopakanthe Patnya Samam Sumanasa Mahatim Vitanvan Pujan Dvijeshu Visrijan Pashushashti Kotim Tatraatha Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasasasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede Bhoktum Vritascha Sanrupena Parartishilaha Mandanjagama Yamunan Niyaman Vidhasyan Rajnyatha Parana Muhurta Samapti Khedat Variva Paranamakari Bhavat Parena Prapto Munistadatha Divya Drisha Vijanan Kshipyan Krudhodhrita Jato Vitatana Krityam Krityanchatam Asidharam Bhuvanandahantim Agre Bhivikshya Nupatirna Padachakampe Tvadbhakta Badham Abhivikshya Sudarshanante Krityanalam Shalabhayan Muniman Vadhavit Dhavanna Shesha Bhuvaneshu Bhiyasa Pashyan Vishvatra Chakramapite Gatavan Virincham Kahkala Chakramati Langhayati Tyapastaha Sharvanyayau Sacha Bhavantamavandhataiva भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्य मुनिन्नमन्तम् प्रोचे भवानहमृषेणनु भक्तदासः ज्ञानन्तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम् याह्यम्बरीषपदमेव भजेति भूमन् तावत् समेत्य मुनिना स गृहीतपादः राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत् चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन् राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिमेकसमामनाश्वान् सम्भोज्य साधुतमृषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम् भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं रतोऽभूत् सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये अम्बरीशचरितं नाम 33तमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. I think there are two bhattas. One I think in the beginning I said Athat Trayastrimshattamam Dashakam, if I'm not wrong, and the other was Trayastrimshati at the end. I think both are fine. Amogha, if not correct me, I think both bhattas are fine. Trayastrimshati tamam or Trayastrimshattam. So in the beginning it is like that, in the end it is like that. That's okay. Any questions? You can raise your hands. Vasanta Rajan. We shall not have student recitation today. Anyway, next 3 weeks are revision, so you can take it up then. Maybe that time, if there is some end, one of our good esteemed panelists will listen to your recitations. If 11 dashakas are over within 40-45 minutes, then we can have 15 minutes of student recitation. I will look into that. Vasanta Rajan. After that, Ranjita. Vasanta Rajan, you can unmute yourself. If okay, Vasanta Rajan is not there. Ranjita, you can unmute yourself, or Lakshmi G. You can. Ranjita.
Namaskaram, Guruji. Newly I joined these classes. How to join Telegram groups, Guruji?
Currently, a Telegram group. Yesterday, a mail I sent, that is day before today, for I think you should have received that mail if you're a part of that mailing group. Which as soon as you register on the website, you automatically become part of the mailing group. You should have received it. If not, currently it has been posted in the chat box. Raghunandan, our panelist, he has posted the link for joining Telegram. There is not much that happens. It is just I just created the group so that you can create small groups to practice and so on. I don't send any important information there. All that comes through me. It is just for some discussion and some information like this that can be passed on.
Okay, thank you so much.
Lakshmi G.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Marriage enga?
It's in Karur, and the Patrige, it's there on the Patrige.
Okay.
You can see the Patrige.
Sandosham and blessings.
Thank you. We all want your blessings. Just that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Nice.
Yes. Vidraj, you can unmute yourself. After him, Srilata.
Hello, Guruji.
Namaste.
My name is Vidya Rajesh, actually.
Okay.
Email Vidraj na kadachadu.
That's okay.
Actually, first day in our class, and thank you for inviting me for the class. I need English and Sanskrit. Other than hard copy kadikuma.
The soft copy is available on the website, Sanskrit from Home website. If you go, the Word document, PDF documents are available in 5 different scripts, in all South Indian scripts and Roman translation. You can download it. I think it is updated till Dashakam 30. This week I will update till 35. As soon as the last date of updation would have been written there, you can download it every time it is updated. You can just download the updated one.
Okay.
Both editable Word format and just printable PDF format, both are available.
Okay. Thank you.
Next, who was that? After with Srilata. After Srilata, Panchanatham Swaminathan. Srilata, you can speak. You're unmuted. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me, Mahodaya?
Yes, I can hear now. Yes.
Oh, namaskaram, Mahodaya.
Namaskar.
You said you have a channel. So is that I usually hear the Vyoma channel for Narayanim in YouTube. Do you have a personal channel? I
have a personal different channel. I think you should have. Yesterday there was an Narayaniam Parayanam, the complete Narayaniam Parayanam, which was streamed live through my channel, because that it cannot be streamed through Vyoma for many technical issues and other logistical issues.
Oh.
So those other personal, whatever my personal things I do, that is streamed through that channel. Not much. It's not a big channel, but such programs are streamed.
I didn't know that. So is your wedding is also going to be through your channel?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So I will say, can I have please that YouTube link, Guruji?
The link just now Raghunandan Anna has posted it on the chat.
Okay.
I think it should,
okay.
It is right there. YouTube.
Okay.
Dhanyavad.
Because I do not have Telegram thing.
No. Telegram, that's what I said. That's not required. It's straight away available. Link has been posted on the chat box right here now.
And YouTube channel is okay to watch your wedding, to attend your wedding. Yeah. Dhanyawada, Guruji. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Panchanatham sir. And then Gangi.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Slightly on grammar and also the Ashwa. Do you remember last week?
Yes, last time. Yes.
That should be 2 sakaras, right? I think that is the correct one. However, the text says Ashwa. I looked at several books. They all have one word. So is Ashwa also allowed, or it's a typo? Because it is corrected. If it is wrong, that's be corrected. It doesn't have any meaning, right? Ashwa.
Asva as such, it doesn't, as far as our knowledge goes, and I won't say it is perfect, but as far as our knowledge goes, it should be as plus swa, asva. And I have seen that in the very old books, either in Vedic literature also it comes asva with the double sakara. It is printed neatly over there. So I think that is the right pronunciation, and that is the right way to write it also. But as I said, modern books, since the pronunciation is same, they just leave it at Asva.
Yeah, but there is no meaning for Asva. Right?
Yeah, that can be pronounced as just Asva also. And as you said, the meaning also takes a hit. Then look at all the books and then say it should be Asva.
Right. Because I searched it, I'm going to send it to some of my teachers who teach Sanskrit whether it has a meaning. But
yes, so you can ask them. You can ask the bigger authority. We should also probably ask Soumya ma'am or someone whether it can be written like this, whether there is some lopa that happens. But as far as we know, it should be Asva.
And again, I saw your wedding. It is nobody has 4 days wedding. My eldest sister had it 30 years ago. So I'm glad you are going through the real way of 4 days of wedding. It's a lot of work for parents. On the but it's good. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's not going to a lot of people, right? Managing.
Not just the 2 families, less than 50.
Excellent. Congratulations on getting the Grahata. Good luck. All the best. Thanks.
Bye-bye. Who did I call? Gangeet. A lot of people today. After Gangeet, Kalyana Krishnan sir. Gangeet. Gangeet 1976 or
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
First of all, congratulations. அப்புறம் இன்னைக்கு நான் சுந்தரகாண்டம் கேட்டேன், ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. அந்த லாஸ்டா ஒண்ணு சேட் பண்ண இல்லையா, அந்த ஸ்லோகம் பேரு என்ன லாஸ்டா சொன்னேன், மங்கள மாதிரி லாஸ்டா முடிச்சே இல்லையா ஒண்ணு.
Mangalam is a part of Ramayana Paddhati. Parayana Paddhati itself, most books have the Mangalam sloka.
அந்த புக் பார்த்தேன் நானு, பட் எனக்கு அது கடைசியில அது இல்ல, வேற ஏதோ புதுசா இருந்தது நீங்க சொன்னது. அதோட ஹெட்டிங் பேரு என்ன, அந்த புக்லயே இருக்காது.
In the book itself, mostly in all the books, it is the beginning. First opening, that is Prarthana shlokas will be there, followed by that Mangala shlokas will also be there.
ஓகே, அதான் அது பேரு கேட்டேன், அதான் நல்லா இருந்தது, அதனால தான் கேட்டேன் சார்.
அதுக்கு பேருன்னு there is no separate name for it. Just Mangala shloka, it's assorted collection, but mostly that those Mangalam shlokas are part of what Kausalya does the Mangala Shasanam before Rama leaves to the forest in the Ayodhya Kanda. So most of those shlokas are taken from there. There are different sampradayas. The Vaishnava Iyengar Sampradaya has a few more shlokas.
இல்ல, நான் ஒரு தடவை படிச்சு முடிச்சிட்டேன். நான் சுந்தரகாண்டம் ஒரு தடவை அந்த பீரியட்ஸ் வச்சு படிச்சு முடிச்சேன். அந்த நம்மளோட இதெல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டேன் நானு. இன்னைக்கு நீங்க சொன்னது வந்து தேடி பார்த்த கிடைக்கல எனக்கு, அதனாலதான் கிடைச்சேன். நல்லா இருந்தது, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, உங்க நல்லா இருந்தது. நேத்தையும் 30 வரலையும் சூப்பரா ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டேன், நல்லா இருந்தது. 32 வரலையும் ஃபாலோ பண்ண, நல்லா இருந்தது. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். அப்புறம் இன்னைக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன்ல 33ல 6th ஸ்லோகத்துல செகண்ட் லைன் வந்திருக்கு இல்லையா, நிருபத்திர்ன பதாச்ச சேர்த்து சொல்லணுமா?
இல்ல, அது தனித்தனியா சொல்ல, நிருபத்திர்ன பதாச்சகம் பே தனியா சொல்ல.
ஓகே ஓகே, அதுதான் கேட்டேன். தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ சார். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யுவர் இது. ரொம்ப ஆசையா இருக்கு உங்களோட இன்விடேஷன் பார்த்த உடனே நேரம் வந்து பார்க்கணும்னு. கரூர்ல எங்க மாமா ஊரு, ரொம்ப வருஷம் முன்னாடி.
பகவான் எப்ப அனுகிரகம் பண்றாரோ that time we can meet.
இங்க ஒரு மீட் வைங்க, எல்லாம் சரியா பண்ணோடனே நாங்களாம் உங்களை வந்து பார்க்கணும், எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து உங்களுக்கு பார்க்கணும். ஒரு ஓகே, எல்லாம் சரியான உடனே ஒரு மீட் வைங்க. ராம் ராம்.
ராம் ராம். Kalyana sir.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Yes, yes.
Well, again, congratulations for you taking a new path in your life, and as far as we know, best is yet to come. Next thing, I have been listening to your teachings for the last 33 lessons, 33 chapters or dashakams. So I've been testing myself to see how far I can do it on my own. So I went forward a few chapters and a few dashakams, and thank you very much for helping with this, because I'm able to read the forward chapters a lot better than I used to, even without any help. So you have really done a wonderful job of enabling us to help ourselves to learn this on our own accord.
So the purpose has been at least achieved to some extent.
Yeah, yes, very much. I feel that, at least in my case, you have done a great job, and I hope it's the same applies to some of the others. And then the third thing I want to point out is that I just saw at the bottom of my screen 1,100 participants. Is that right?
1,100? No, I think it is. Usually there are about 250. Nowadays, at least from about 4 or 5 months, the average has been around 250, little more or less.
Yeah, but it's still a lot. I think I think you hit the jackpot. You probably have the largest audience of all Vyoma listeners, but I'm not sure. It sure be nice.
I think that is because of the Grantha. It is nothing not related to me at all. Anybody who had taken the class would have had the same thing, because so many people have that kind of devotion towards this scripture.
Yeah, and I think this in addition to what you're teaching, this Vyoma thing that Venkatesh and Vishwam and the others have undertaken have done a tremendous job. I've been participating with the Vyoma group for the last 5, 6, 7 years, and also supporting them generously. They have done a wonderful job in propagating and promoting the language and the culture, and it's just an eye-opener. It's a very pleasant experience so far. Having left the country so many decades ago, I'm able to still relate to the culture and the systems and the language. So I thank you very much. And all the others who are supporting this. Again, let's remind everybody, please, this is quite a large organization, and it takes money to run this organization. A lot of people are paid, a lot of them are volunteers. So please dig deep in your pockets and help continue this program by Vyoma founders and the teachers therein. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavada. Bahut dhanyavada. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Then Sujata Vinayak, after her Jyoti Shanai.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Our best wishes for a very happy and successful life for you ahead.
Dhanyavada.
I had one doubt in the 30th Dashakam, Shloka number 9. In the recorded lesson, it is coming as Tattonya
Tirtham. There is a mistake in the script on the screen, which Kalsan has pointed out to me. He's very exactly pointed out. We have to change that screen. I will see if I can edit it on that screen. After posting on YouTube, it's a little difficult to edit, but still we will see how it can be done. I've asked the volunteer to do it. But what I have, my voice is correct there. Whatever I have said is absolutely correct.
Your reciting as Murdhani, but ange Murdhati vandadu. I thought I'll clarify.
On the screen, something is wrong. The print was wrong.
Okay, Guruji. Ram Ram. All best. Thank you.
Jyoti Shanai.
Ram Ram, Guruji. Ram Ram. Yeah. I every time have a query regarding some difficulty regarding the technical difficulty regarding Narayaniam. But for the first time today, I don't have any, but I did not want to break the tradition. I want to personally wish you a very, very happy married life. All the best from my husband and myself. Wish you a great life and have a wonderful life together, spiritually and mundane, both. Thank you, Guruji. Yeah. Ram Ram. Ram.
Girija Vaidishwaran, then Chitra Vaidishwaran.
நமஸ்காரம் குருஜி. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களோட இன்விடேஷன். இன்னைக்குதான் நான் பாப்பேன். எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஆத்துல கொஞ்சம் ஒரு அத்திமேர் வந்திருக்காருங்க நாத்தனாருக்கு. அவர் கொஞ்சம் கோவிட் வந்துட்டு, ஸோ கொஞ்சம் பிஸி ஆயிட்டேன்னா, ஸோ வச்சுட்டு ஓடி ஓடி போக வேண்டியதா இருக்கு. பட் ஐ எம் பிராக்டிசிங். Heartiest congratulations for your wedding and wish you a very, very happy married life spiritually, as the other lady also said. And very happy to know. And Nalnala Kalyanam, my eldest sister had it in about 40 years ago, Nalnala Kalyanam. After that, I think I'm hearing the first Nalnala Kalyanam. Very, very nice. Very happy for you. Have a very wonderful life hereafter. Yeah, thank you. But நீங்க அப்புறம் வரல இல்லையா? This எதுல நீங்க இது பண்றீங்க? ஸ்கிரீன் பண்றது? For us to view it?
On the day of Kalyanam, it will be live stream on 24th, 23rd.
Which channel? YouTube?
Channel has been posted on my YouTube, same YouTube channel, which you might have received. Mail வந்திருக்கும் அந்த YouTube channel or link நேத்திக்கு நாராயணியம் பாராயணத்துக்கு.
எப்போ என்ன பாராயணம் எப்போ நடந்தது நேத்திக்கு? I didn't know. எதுல வந்தது நேத்திக்கு பாராயணம்?
Same on my YouTube channel only it was streamed. I had sent a mail to everyone. So if you're receiving mails from my side,
பார்க்கவே முடியல. I told you na வீட்ல கொஞ்சம் பிரச்சனை. So this very very tough time.
So we will see and those on the Telegram group also. They also.
So அத திருப்பி நான் பார்க்க முடியுமா நாராயணியம் நேத்தித? நாங்க பார்க்கலாம். And இன்னைக்கு சுந்தரகாண்டம் சொன்னாலே இன்னொரு லேடி சொன்னா இல்லையா? So what is அதுவா?
Both same channel, you can view them. They are there.
Okay. அப்ப நான் நாளைக்கு போட முடியும் இல்லையா? Okay, tomorrow I'll see. Because நான் சுந்தரகாண்டம் 2 தடவை படிச்சிருக்கேன், but I want to hear yours. I am very interested in listening to yours. ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்கு. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Yeah.
धन्यवाद.
Chitra
Vaidishwaran.
Ram அண்ணா. நமஸ்காரம் அண்ணா. அண்ணா வாழ்த்துக்கள். நேத்து போன வாரம் கேட்டதுல இருந்து எங்க ஆத்துல ஒரே புலம்பல். எங்க அம்மாட்ட எல்லார்ட்டையும், அம்மா நம்ம ஆத்துல ஒரு அண்ணாக்கு கல்யாணம்னா எவ்வளவு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும், அந்த மாதிரி சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது. அம்மா எங்க குருக்கு கல்யாணமா அடுத்த வாரம் சூப்பர்மா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டே இருந்தேன், பழமிட்டே இருந்தேன். சேஃபா போயிட்டு சேஃபா திருப்பி வரும்போது மண்ணியோட சேஃபா வாங்கோனா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், வாழ்த்துக்கள். அண்ணா இன்னைக்கு நடத்தின 33 தசகத்துல செகண்ட் ஸ்லோகால தேர்ட் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் லைன் மட்டும் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்களேன்.
எந்த ஸ்லோகம்?
செகண்ட் ஸ்லோகா 33ல செகண்ட் ஸ்லோகா தேர்ட் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் லைன்.
येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थं चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्.
Thanks na. Okay na. Thank you so much.
Be available.
Again on
நிறைய வாட்டி கேட்கலாம்.
என்னன்னா
ரெக்கார்டிங் யூடியூப் ரெக்கார்டிங்ல இது எப்படியும் இருக்கும். சோ நிறைய வாட்டி கேட்கலாம் அந்த ரெண்டு லைன்.
Thank you na. சேஃபா போயிட்டு சேஃபா வாங்கோனா திருப்பி மண்ணியோட.
धन्यवाद.
ராம் ராம் na.
நன்றி. ராம் ராம். Then Mandahasini, then Ananta Balaji after Mandahasini. Mandahasini, you can unmute, or Ananta Balaji, you can unmute.
நமஸ்காரம், நான் மந்தகாசினி பேசுறேன். கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன், ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. பெங்களூர்காரங்களா இருந்தாலும் எங்க ஊர் பொண்ணுங்களை கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி மேரிட் லைஃப். நான் உங்களால இப்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா சொல்றேன். எல்லாரும் நாராயணம், உங்களுக்கு தான் என்னோட அனந்த கோடி நமஸ்காரம்.
எல்லாம் பகவத் அனுகிரகம், குருவாயூரப்பன் அருள்.
ஓகே, ஹாப்பி மேரிட்.
Thank you. Ananta Balaji.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram.
First of all, congratulations for getting into Grahastha Ashram, which is the most important ashrams of all the 4 ashrams. And once again, congratulations. And I would like to have the email where I can send. I'm not receiving that Sunday Upanyasam on Narayaniam. I'm not getting any emails on that. So I would like to. Which email?
Few of you have that problem. I don't know that mailing list. It has been a problem for some time. Anyway, you send me my email ID is given below on the screen. You can see, write down my email ID is there. You send me a mail.
Okay.
I will add you to that mailing list. So hopefully you receive from now on from here.
Yeah, it will come from akbalaji@gmail.com.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Thank you, Guruji. Ram Ram.
Ram. Who was next? Geeta Vinod, then Vanamala. Geeta Vinod. Ram Ram, you're unmuted, I can't hear you.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Guruji, Abhinandanani.
Dhanyawada.
Shubhashyaha api. So happy to know that. Wanted to personally congratulate you. And not only that, Parambaryama nama tradition Bharatiya samskara padi 4 days wedding is such a great thing. I just wanted to know konja adhigasana Upanyasam potrikkel, will that also be screened?
Yes, we hopefully. First of all, we do not know if that Bhagavatar will be able to come at this first one, that is Upanyasam by Krishnamurti Shastrigal. That will happen because he is my grandfather. It will surely happen.
Yes.
The other one, we are not sure yet. If it happens, it happens, or maybe we will get him virtually itself, as it works.
Will that also be shared? Just wanted to know.
Yeah, if it happens, it will be shared. So whatever happens will be shared. That is the hope.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the very best. And as somebody said, I wanted to second that. After going through this last 1 year of 33 chapters, definitely there has been an improvement in Samskrita Patana, whichever Grantha we are reading. There is definitely a change. It may not be good enough for others, but then still we can see a definite improvement, and there is always scope for more improvement, which is there for everybody. I wanted to second.
motivates us as we improve ourselves.
Yes.
It motivates us.
Yes, and when we teach, when we learn, there it reflects on all the other granthas, whatever Samskrita Patanam we do. That the insistence on Mahaprana and all that has helped us in a big way, I should say. Thank you, Anantakoti Pranamani. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you.
Dhanyavada. Next, who was that? Who was the next? Vanamala.
Ram Namaskaram. Very happy to know that you are getting married soon. So all my best wishes are with you. May Lord Guru Ayyappan shower his blessings on you always. Have a long, happy and blessed married life.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I don't have any doubts at all. I just wanted to personally wish you in advance.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes.
Thank you.
Dhanyavada.
Yes.
Next, Vasanta Rajan. I think that's the name. You can run Vasanta Rajan. Then Devika Ravi. Yeah. Vasanta Rajan, then Devika Ravi. This venue is not Kulithalai. It was supposed to happen there, but we are not going there. We are returning to Bangalore for these 4 days. Vasanta Rajan, you are unmuted. Or Devika Ravi, you can tell me.
Ram Mahodaya. I am also, first congratulations on your wedding. I'm very happy to note that it's going to be a 4-day wedding. And I just wanted to know, but I'm getting all the class mails, all that I'm getting, but I'm not getting this Parayanam on the mail. I'm not getting. So shall I send a mail to you, Mahodaya?
Yes. Do you get the mails when I send it for memorization, that Parayanam test and all those I send?
No, that I have not got, Mahodaya. That also I didn't receive.
Oh, okay. Then it's the same problem because all those come from the same ID. Okay. I'm the one who sends all those.
The Parayanam I got. Then, but the Sunday programs I didn't get, Mahodaya.
I understand. Yeah. It goes out to about 1,800 people. Order 1,800. There are few that are missing. So some of you who are regular attendees, you are missing. Anyway, you send me a mail. I'll add you to that. If you're not getting.
Okay. Thank you, Mahodaya, and wish you all the best, Mahodaya.
Thank you. Vasanta Rajan, you can unmute yourself. I think that's Vatsala Jambunathan. You done? I forgot.
Vatsala Jambunathan here.
Vatsala Jambunathan. Chalo.
Yeah, very happy to see your wedding card, and I'm very proud that we are able to see the Guruji now becoming into the Grihastha Ashram. And my husband, he just finished his Sadavsheham. He joins me in wishing you for your wedding to both of you. And then Janani is a very beautiful name. Sita Lakshmi, of course, Rama and Sita. The names are so very beautifully done. So we wish you a very golden period hereafter. And one more thing I wanted to share with you. I've been doing this Ekadashi Parayam, 10 to 15 slokas every Ekadashi. And I can say, having started with this Vyoma for our last 1 year, I could see the improvement in my own pronunciation and reading. So I finished 2 full readings of this of 10 times of the full last 6 months. So I am so grateful to you for joining this group and improving. By the way, Malika Ganeshan is my sister's daughter. Who's helping
she's the one who edits and sends the videos. Yes.
Yeah. She's in Sydney. So we are doing every Sunday group chanting of 5 slokas of Narayaniam. And every Anusham Nakshitram we do 25 together. So that way I'm able to understand the importance and Guruvayur. I was planning to go to Guruvayur, and the person whom we are talking about, Erode Balaji, my sister knows them very well. She was in Erode, and her in-laws are all from Erode, and they know the Bhagavata also there.
Dhanyavad.
So very good that you're having so many of those people to bless you on your wedding day. Congratulations once again, and all our blessings to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyah. Yeah. Thank you for all your wishes. It is great to have. Dhanyavadaha. Sarvebhyo namo namaha. We will meet again in the 28 days, and we will see then. You can all watch. Shubharatrihi, Shubhamastu, Ram 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 Sarvebhyah. Drakshyama.